What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? You're an idiot. Market looks good. Market looks good. Good. I'm like a Microsoft. Then yeah, I think a lot of people are gonna get screwed there. There rose. That's good. That's really good for the market. No wonder it's going up. Today should be a good day. Just curious now to when oil's gonna start getting back to a good spot. Oh, oil had a good bounce. Okay, yeah, oil looks good. See how it's holding that monthly level? This looks really good. Where's on at? Pre-market at 56. Man, you're catching it below that monthly level, but I still really like it. Dang, I'm just thinking. Papi. Maybe I just pop up Microsoft. Yep. I saw that. I know. Something thinking about. Then yeah, I might just play tech. I'm kind of thinking. Like some socials look pretty good. Like look at Snap, Pinterest. Overstock was a good one as well. What's going on? OSTK. No. Man, is it down? There's no way. No, it's up. Yeah, what was I about to say? Snow's probably up. No, Neo's like almost at 42. Yep, Neo's back at like 42. Turn really quick. I know Oracle looked really good yesterday. Not really on. Oracle's at a really good spot. 70.2 is really nice. It's just a slow mover. You don't really get big jumps on it. You know, it's a pretty, yeah. So the question is how much will you make there? I'm looking at Root. I'm YOLOing Root. Be careful. I mean, I'm not YOLOing it anytime right now. I'm thinking about where the best entry, because it's still kind of scary. I'm not gonna like, you can find a good play like that, but it's still kind of like scary. Like you have to like think everything that has to happen for it to really play out perfectly, you know? That's like the main problem with being like, I guess, conservative with entries. Then you kind of miss out maybe potentially. But it looks really like, the more and more I spend time looking at it, the more I'm like, man, this is a great play. We thoughts on XPEV, had a great quarter results. Yeah, I think all those Chinese EVs are gonna be moving well. Fuel cell, where's fuel cell? I know, but we had to get it. Yeah, dang it. We might see a little pullback this morning. Like, see how they're gonna be opening up at these levels. I just don't know if they're gonna break right through. Like, fuel cell opening that high. Like, man, I should have bought some yesterday. I was thinking about it too. And the real question is like, can it just keep going? You know, I mean, we'll see here in about 3 minutes. But like Blink as well. All these charging plays are gonna be really strong. Yeah, 43. See, Blink looks really good. Blink is a play for continuation. Sorry, man, my freaking back killing me right now. Thoughts on GSAT? Not interested in it. I'm doing well. Where you been? It's a bad day. We can't be. Where have I been? I've been here like every day. Take a look at IDEX. They've been rebounding. Oh, 340. Huge run. Yeah, big resistance. I think things are going to have pull back a little bit in the open. We'll see. But I would be very surprised if we don't pull back slightly. Everything looks like it's at a resistance. Oh, that deal was good. Felt really good. Yeah. Paysafe hurts my feelings. Is it down right now? I don't think it's. I mean, I think it's just like slowly going back up. I'm telling you, I would just relax. Wait, you're fine. That's what I got out of options. Though. I just didn't know how I was gonna react, and it's frustrating. I mean, if I would have known the market was gonna move like this, I would have held. But this is crazy how we're moving. We'll see how we open up though. I mean, the market, it's trying to get a push. Those job report numbers are crazy. Those are crazy numbers. TCAP may make another run, possibly. I'm not interested in those moves. AMC got to push up, coming back down. BA, Baba's killing. I don't know why Chewy's coming down. That's weird. Big gap, I know that, but kind of surprised. I like CRM. Salesforce looks good. Crowd moving. Crowd probably comes up to this range, like 190. I think crowd will be a good play. Crowd's gonna be something I'm looking at for sure. The question is where's the best entry point? It's at 188 right now. Oof, man, tough. So it's gonna make this push like right here. This range, 190, 191. It'll make that push. It's already like, yeah, 188. Oof. Sheesh. We'll see. You have to wait anyways. I don't enter anything at like right at open just because of the way the spreads are typically. Looks strong. Time to bump. How does Fuel Cell look? Fuel Cell looks really strong. Snap still holding my option. Let her rip. Congrats, man. Congrats. Market open. Jamie Baba. I mean, I really do like it. We'll keep looking. We need to keep looking. DoorDash doesn't look bad. That looks really good. I don't know why it opened right there. It's weird. I'll come right back. Yeah, like a crouch, I could hit 190. It's going to like 191. Dang it. You just can't really get into some of this stuff. Ooh, Docusign looks really good. Holy crap, yeah. Wow. We'll come back to Docusign. Microsoft has room, but it's like, do you want to even press that, you know? Like, is it worth it? Lulu also had great earnings, amazing earnings. Not really a tech play though. I mean, they had amazing earnings. Overstock came down, Peloton's flying. PayPal, I loved PayPal yesterday. It never came down to that buy zone, sucks. Sano's flying. Nasdaq's doing very well. Let's go back to, what were we looking at? Docusign. Oh my God. Barely missed it. Went up when we took one away. Okay. Keep going. We have a big support coming up though, a big resistance, I'm sorry. Go to the 1 hour chart. Yeah, so it's 383 range up here. This is a big resistance. Right here. The question is, can we break a button? I mean, we still have a little bit more up here. Basically this 3-3 range, 13-3. It's a big resistance. After that 20 billion contract, MS might run. But Microsoft looks good. I mean, Microsoft doesn't look bad. And they're in talks of acquiring Discord as well. That's really big. If you don't know, it's pretty big stuff. Yeah, so these are all pulling back fuel. So I kind of anticipate a little bit of a pullback there. I think we look really strong as a market though. Fubo is also getting that press. We talked about Fubo yesterday, man. I think they're gonna run. I think this is gonna run back up. The question is how high, man. I think the 25.5 is really conservative there. I need to. Here, I gotta open another trading view. I need to get the Nasdaq up here. Yeah, the Nasdaq's just running. Tech is so strong, but I'm gonna wait a little bit. I need to see how we continue. I think we're going to press above 13.3. I just don't know if we press above it on the first try. That'd be crazy. That'd be crazy. I'm glad you like it. I'm focused on the night streams, really. That's what we focus on. I have my son this weekend too, so whenever he passes out, I'll probably go live. But AMC with that downward pressure, oof. Chewy, I think Chewy will make a rebound. I think Chewy will rebound here. They had pretty great earnings, I believe. Let me make sure. I'm telling you, Fubo looks really good too for a swing. I like Chewy. I'm eyeballing it. I think Chewy's a big play. One sec. So they beat on the loss. They beat their $2 billion in their revenue. They beat revenue by like 4%. Not huge. Not terrible. I mean, it was decent. Any outlook? And they're growing. Really nice. I like where they're at. I like the support right here. I think they can hold that. I think they can hold it and start going back up. A little bit of a riskier play though. But tech, just the way where it's at right now, I think that's a great support. We'll see. Maybe I'll play, maybe I won't. I like it a lot. The only thing I don't like is that the monthly is right above it. Those eyeballing Beyond yesterday too. Beyond was looking good. I like Beyond a lot. I think I'm gonna play Chewy. Man, one sec. Skills. I got out of skills. I mean, we made quick money on that one. Skills going back up though. Yeah, it's doing well. It's doing well. You still have a lot more room to go up, but yeah. It's a solid long-term company. I think long-term, I like them a lot. One sec. What about Facebook? Let's look at Facebook. Let's look at FANG stocks really quick. Facebook's just soaring. Fuel cell, these will probably do well. Fuel cell will probably pop back up. Gotta just be patient there. I think Chewy's a play. Man, I want Chewy bad. It just had such a massive run up yesterday. It's the only thing there. What about flow? How's the flow looking today? Lots of Tesla. Lots of Tesla. Oh, Baidu. Ooh, she is moving. She's moving. Yeah, look at the Nasdaq. Oh my God. I love Viacom. Viacom and Discovery, I want them bad. I want them bad. Viacom, really, that's the one I want. It's the one I can't take my eyes off of. God. Nike's oil plays. I'm not looking at oil right now. See, you got rejected. I don't want to enter it yet. Oh, look at Funko. That's funny. That's funny. 20% today. It's always nice. JD flying. Those Chinese can fly. Oh, man. Tech is strong. I might play Snow again. If Snow can break this high, I got 240. I might get longer dated calls though. If it gets longer dated calls, it plays up to 260, and it could run really quick. Snow looks really good. Morning, Brandon. Snow looks really phenomenal. Question is tech. I mean, tech is doing its thing. It's trying to go. Spy's cracking. Pretty crazy what's going on right now. Is that CCL? Yeah, that's Carnival Cruise Lines. What the fuck? No, I'm not touching that. You're crazy. Snow hasn't got that crazy. I mean, we got to jump. Don't get me wrong. We got to jump today. But I don't think it's really moved yet. YY also. Oh, crap. Yeah. Oh, I think they missed on revenue. Right, yeah, they missed. They could still pop back up, but is that something you want to play on the pop? Charge point is still doing its thing. Pay safe, slowly climbing. Steel's gonna be a good buy on a dip. Something I'm just waiting on though. AMC struggling, yeah. I don't think it's. I came in with AMC right now and haven't had my coffee, so I'm having my AMC get back over here. Is it down? Is it below 10? Oof. Maybe you guys are right. Maybe $8 before 14.5. Wow. It's manipulation. It's manipulation. I think Beyond looks really good. I think, man. I think Snow is my play though. Snow is the play. But the thing that I'm looking for right now is I think we're gonna get a little bit of a retrace from this area. I mean, we could break straight through it. You know, we could. I'm on guard because the way we have been trading and the way the market has been moving. So I'm trying to not risk it for the biscuit first thing on the gate. You know what I mean? I want to get some confirmation, but we look strong. We're holding 13.3 very well. Job reports came out very positive. Market sentiment is good. So the economy does look healthy. We're getting pretty solid movement. Viacom though, I am so interested. I want a call so bad. It is so underpriced right now. Holy crap. I cannot believe Funko. I mention them every day and I didn't buy any. Gosh dang it. Tough. I think Fubo is juicy though. Holy crap. Look at Fubo. I think Fubo is going to be a great swing. Fuel cell 5. Time for puts on disc B. AMC taking a poop. Pull AMC and pre-market. Let's go AMC down. Sorry guys. Sorry. I don't want to comment too much on some of this stuff, but I think that the narrative that AMC can only go up is a bad narrative to be sharing with everyone. Where's Docusign? Where's Docusign? What was it doing? Got that move up. Okay, we got that move. So Docusign, I think, has a lot of room as well. I don't think if it goes to 230 instantaneously. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that. However, it looks strong. It's holding VWAP, getting a push. Then the fact that tech is holding these ranges, like they're still going up while we're consolidating in this area over here, makes me more bullish on tech. Makes you most likely assume we're taking more, we're gonna take another leg up. I just hate, I know like some of my plays are super risky that I get into, and I just know, man, like I just feel, I hate talking about really risky plays and people potentially taking them. Tesla is doing good. Holy crap. That's a big resistance. So let me tell you something right there. That's a big, big, big resistance. This 690 area, that is a big, if it gets past it, it'll soar. How much are Tesla calls? I kind of want to get in one. That thing's in the rip. Holy crap. Any calls today are going to be expensive though. Like just thinking about going into next week, yeah, they're going to be expensive. Like as I'm looking at them. I bought one Tesla call, it was like $2,000. Holy crap, that was expensive. I don't think anyone in the Discord is gonna be able to afford that, but I bought a call there for next week. I usually don't take big ones like that, but I'm so bullish on Tesla right now. Holy crap. Looks phenomenal. Getting that break back up too. Question is, can we hold this area? But either way, I think Tesla's gonna get a break at this range. Big resistance though. So that's like a super risky trade, but I really like what I'm seeing here. And then you're seeing on the flow as well, Tesla has extreme amount of calls coming in. CRM also. Holy crap, CRM. We'll come back. CRM is flying. This is crazy what's going on right now. Fuel cell doing really, where's Blink? Blink is the one we need to look at. Yep. Oh man. What are the 1 hour? Okay. Blink got the big break. It may come down to retest. Maybe. This area though, that was huge. There's so much room to run now. I believe you could hit 50. Yeah, Blink dated calls look really nice. They look beautiful, 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 beautiful. Holy crap, yeah. The question is will Nasdaq, and is it worth the risk? You know, potentially. The bottom, in my opinion, is gonna be this 40.13. You can get longer dated. How much they cost is the question. Let's look. And I believe clean energy, like in these charging stocks, they're gonna do well. Personally, this is just personal opinion. This is one that will be a lot safer too. One reason why I'm really liking cheddar flow though is to show you where a lot of the open interest and where people are buying at. You know what I mean? That's one reason why I'm really liking it though. So you can go to expiration 19th. A lot of 23s on there. Let me scroll down. 1, 2, 3. Some puts too. Decent quantities. Decent flow, but most of this flow is going to be occurring from this week. So I can guarantee, like, so we changed the week to like Monday, right? See, 100%. All from this week are 100%. A lot are going for next week. Maybe next week is the play. So we'll do next. I'll do next week's. I'll get some next week's. Kind of risky. I'm down for the calls though. You know what I mean? Where are these expirations? 42, 43. They bought them all early yesterday. I still like it. I still really like it. I'm a fan. I think there's just so much room to run. Let's look. Let me pull them up. So I'm not reading too much chat. There's so many opportunities right now, in my opinion. I have to be looking at this. I'll get to chat here in a sec, but I think you'll appreciate this here in a little bit. Well, there's a lot of open interest at 46. Like it. Oh, one sec. I love Blink. Where it's at. You're getting a little bit of a dip too. And guys, please, I'm not being mean, but please don't DM me on Discord while I'm live. I'm just saying because I'm like, I don't like to ignore people, but I also like, I'm trying to like, you know, help people and make content as well. It just makes it very difficult. Man, the spread is so big. That's the only problem. I mean, the spread's gonna reduce as we start flying up. Like, we're going up right now, you know what I mean? Like, we're going up. I have to do 40. 46 is there too. That I know how much money I'll make from that. And tomorrow's a full week. I'm like 99% sure we come back on Monday. Monday isn't a holiday. I bought a few of those. So Blink, I'm playing that. The Tesla one's gonna be a little bit scary. I really never play with Tesla. We'll see if I guess it works out or not. We're at that big resistance. If it can get above this, oh my god, it'll soar. It will absolutely soar. But there's a reason I don't play with Tesla, and maybe today I'll get screwed. We'll see. Whatever. Just money, right? Something like that. All right, we're back. I'll answer some questions. Tesla's moving sideways. Maybe I'll poop my pants. Maybe I won't. We'll see. AMC is trouble today, Mike. Yeah, we're dumping, buying back. Guys, I'm not gonna. Is the 500 mil happening on AMC? You're joking. I don't think you're being serious. We'll see. Let me put Tesla up here. Put it right here. I think you're joking. That'd be terrible. Oof. That is bad. That is not what you want to see. Google, MCCO dilution. Is there any? Send me a link in Discord if you find a link for that. I would love to see it. I'll give you my opinion on whatever he says, but I mean, I don't know if it's true or not. Take it with a grain of salt. How's SPY looking? I'm curious how we hold up here, man. Very curious, very, very curious. He was on Kramer, bro. Stream is sucking. Oh, is it lagging? I don't know. How was high tide after those earnings? I haven't even looked at high tide. Honestly, when it's long term, I don't even like look at it because I don't even want to be tempted to get rid of it. You know what I mean? I'm totally fine holding it. It broke above monthly open, which is really nice. We'll see how it goes. I mean, the trend looks really strong. You know what I mean? This looks incredible. Like, I don't want to get my hopes up. It's a long term for me though. Yeah, give me the link in the Discord and I'll go over it. Nasdaq's kind of struggling up there. Kind of struggling bad. Go to the 5 minute. It's kind of consolidating. That's what it's doing. Flagging, consolidating. You can see it. That's what it's doing. We'll look at the 5 minute here. Nasdaq kind of not really flagging, more of just sideways on top. SPYs getting that sideways action. Lots of buyers though. Not too many puts being placed. This is kind of what you wanted to see, to be honest, from the market. Nope, nope, nope. Bearish. What is C? What is C? City, a bank. Tesla puts, Ford, AMD. Nothing really. Man, lots of money on Square too. It's just tech. This is like all tech. I would say 90% of all this right here is just tech. Tech calls. Sentiment looks pretty bullish for tech. Where Q's at. Everything's just sitting at a really big resistance right now. You know what I mean? We're just kind of like stagnating right here. We'll see what happens. Type AMCCO Kramer YouTube filter today. Okay. Let's see what all this. I'm very curious to see what the YouTubers say about this, if this is true. Very curious. Kramer, AMCCO. Wait, we gotta Google. Where's the filter? Settings, search as you know. News, do news, no. I don't see it. Maybe I'm retarded. Dude, this guy paper hand. It looks like the CEO might have paper handed you guys. I don't see what you're talking about. Someone sent it in Discord? I don't know. I don't see anything. I can't find anything. I don't know what you're talking about. Usually it would pop up right immediately. Motive, no, he took profit, unlike all of you guys. I think he's talking about the CEO. Dude, some people say music's loud, some people say it's quiet, whatever. There, I turned it down more. Yeah, I don't see it. If you send it to I'll post a link to the Discord. Oh, there we go. The Nasdaq, pumpy, pumpy, pump. Let me post the Discord link. By the way, guys, if you join the Discord, like, if you, I mean, the paid side of the Discord, it is like, you know, keep it like pretty, you know, rules and stuff. But the free side, there's no rules. I don't care what y'all say or do. Just don't type any hard R's. And no porn. That's also no porn. No porn and no hard R's. There you go. So, there's that. No problem, no problem. Yeah, just ask in the chat if you need me to turn on or not. I don't care. Let's keep looking though. I still like Chewy. I really like Chewy. Is it bouncing? It's bouncing. Ah! Bounced really nice. See that? That was nice. That was a good area. The tech continuation looks pretty attractive. Yeah, I think Tesla will get over. I think Tesla will get over 700 today. I think it will. We'll see. We're seeing some fight though. We're seeing some fight. It's coming back down, come back up. Lots of volatility. There's tons of Tesla calls coming in. Look at the chart. And then we're seeing the Nasdaq kind of get a little bit of a push down. We'll see what happens. Pretty crazy movement. Discord is Troll City. Yeah. Free to go with an A in the free chat. Missed the boat. DKG calls for next week. I'm not crazy about DraftKings personally. I know some of you guys are. I'm not crazy about them. So, I don't know what to tell you. Not a huge fan of these guys. Fubo looks really good. I'm really liking Fubo. Fuel cells still doing, yeah, they're always doing their thing. Everything looks like it wants to continue. The whole market looks like it wants to continue. YY. Yeah, Y. We went over YY a few minutes. God dang it. Dang it. Oh my God. Where's Blink? I kind of want to have more Blink. Blink looks really good too. I want more. Should I buy more Blink? I can double down on it. That Chewy chart this is beautiful. Wow, that is a beautiful looking chart. When is vote? How's the Nasdaq? Nasdaq's kind of moving sideways. Not super concerning. I mean, we still have SPY with a huge flag trying to pump up. That just means Nasdaq is probably consolidating. We'll see what happens here. We want to see tech hold up though. We need tech to hold up to keep the market going. This will keep the whole thing afloat. That's why I just haven't pushed in too heavy. I'm just waiting. This is the first day of the month. But everything is bouncing so far. Like, I'm not finding a chart that's not bouncing. Yet, I'm not finding anything. Neo. Literally the whole market is just bouncing. Snow, oh wow, snow came down a little bit to this range. That's pretty attractive. Wow. That's very attractive. Look at the SPY. Wow, that is insane. Snow's flipping this area. That could be a decent entry. I'm waiting. I don't like that we're getting the separation movement though. Nasdaq retracing a little bit and then SPY going up. I don't really like that. Okay, we want to see this start bouncing. We want to see this start bouncing now. So a long time left in this candle also. Chewy dipping better entries. I haven't gotten into Chewy. The only thing that concerns me is how the chart holds up. I want it to hold that monthly level. The monthly level is right here at 86.46. If it doesn't hold that, then it'll probably come down. And then we don't have any confirmation yet on tech. So like tech is gonna be the Nasdaq, right? So here's the one I have up here. Okay, so I'm watching Nasdaq, but Nasdaq's bouncing, right? I feel confident. I feel very confident in the market right now. SPY's holding up, about to break 400. SPY breaks 400. It's already broke 4K on SPX. Insane movement. I like Chewy. I like Snow. Snow's always treated me well. I think Snow looks very strong. I think it's flipping this resistance right here, just holding it right now. We do have a gap. Potentially may get a gap down. I don't know. It's hard to say. But if Snow starts really running like it does, Snow will make a push. It's hard to say to 266. But I can see 266 happening very quickly. We've seen crazy parabolic moves when Snow starts going. Like, see, when Snow really starts going, it just flies. Like 30 points. I mean, you've seen crazy movement from those local, I mean, just wild movement. But you kind of want to get more dated calls just so you have a little bit of like more room just in case. But the only thing worth mentioning is like I said, we're not confirmed out of here. This is a resistance. 13.3 is a resistance. That we've been talking about for some time. You know what I mean? So if you've been watching us at all in the mornings, you know this is a key resistance that we gotta hold above. A strong 15-minute candle would make me happy. I don't care if y'all roast, but like, you know, just take it easy like on the new people. Like if they're like new in the channel, don't like just start, don't let them like they come in and you're like, hey, I heard you suck dick. Don't like leave no, like ease them in there. Like a few like, you know, little softballs, okay? Let them roast you and then you can start digging them in. Good intro on Root. Guys, man, I love Root. Ah, man. It's coming back up. It's hard to say. But if you're grabbing, you're holding. So in my opinion, if I'm buying stock here, right? I'm perfectly fine if this comes back down to 11. Like I'm fine losing 15% on it because I don't believe it's gonna come past 10 down. Okay, I think the bottom's in. Could we possibly get a little bit of a dip to get better entries? Maybe. When it comes to options, those are hard to say. Options are one thing I'm concerned about when it comes to Root, and I don't necessarily want to touch. I think there's a lot of potential there. You could probably go like till the close to the end of 2021. But yeah, so man, I personally, I think under here, I think this is fine. But once you start breaking above this zone, this 14 range, I think it's gonna have a lot of room to go up. Lots and lots of room. So I love them. I think it'll be back at $20 within the next, if April's a strong month for the economy, I think Root goes back up to 20 bucks within a month. if April is very strong as a month. But I love it. One of my good friends from high school, we both have kids. His son, his wife is Asian. His son is so cute. It's adorable. He mispronounces all of our names, so every one of our names. It's the cutest thing. Insider rats or jumping ship, it's never a good sign. Send me the link, please. I just posted the Discord down below. Send me. Oh, I think someone did. Going on, Billy Burns. My kiddos are half Chinese. I can't tell if that's serious or not. I don't know if anyone's being serious, to be honest. I have no idea if you guys are ever being serious. Guys, please stop saying executives are selling off. If they are selling off, what I want you to do is join the Discord, post a link in the Discord, and I'll read it and I'll go over and give you my opinion. But do not spread false narratives, okay? It goes both ways. Don't spread false narratives to make AMC bullish. Don't spread false narratives to make it bearish. I don't want to hear false things. So if you believe something, post it in the Discord. I do not care about your opinion on it. I'd rather see it in the Discord. Dude, this is beautiful. If we come down a little bit, oh my God, I'll enter so heavy into that. Charge points are ripping today. I don't see it. Post it. I don't see it. I couldn't find it. Maybe I'm slow. But yeah. But you're gonna get banned from the chat, man. I'm not gonna deal with that. I mean, I'm not like, everyone knows my opinion on AMC, so. Gosh, dude, just look at that. This is insane. Spy's trying to break 30. Oh my God, that's insane. AMC, Jimmy. It's all little bounces going on. That's funny. Look at that touch. It's a great bounce. Holy crap. The market is just like ripping today. This is absolutely absurd. What's going on? What was the other one I liked? I liked I think Fubo looks really good. Just underneath resistance. Sorry. How do you feel about leaps on root? I've already kind of stated my opinion. I think for myself, buying shares might be the play, just because I do think that they have real value to go up to like 50 bucks. The option route, I just don't know how long it could take. Anything could happen. Yeah, that's just the scarier part. Personally, it's me. It's my opinion. Oh, lift looks decent. Lift looks really good. Flagging, breaking up, probably get a run up to like 66. Kind of want more space in that. Not that much room. Oh, look at Netflix. Holy crap. That is insanely strong. I'd be willing to say Netflix hits. Man, it's just sitting at a resistance. Man, you can say a little block, but I mean, I think it runs up to like 536 pretty quick, in a hurry, pretty soon. Nike. Oh, open. I'm grabbing some. Oh my God, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, in there for April 16th. Wow. Man, where do we go? I didn't see that. Gosh. I think these look amazing. That's beautiful. What you're seeing right there. That's perfect. That's all you could ever ask for right there for continuation. The question is can it hold up? Or will it get that volatility you want? Peloton looks really good for that monthly retest finally too. It's like 122. Watching tech up here. SPY finally broke 399. 400 incoming. Nasdaq looks really strong. I don't like that. It's crazy Lyft is doing, like, I guess poorer than what's it called? Uber. And their financials are so much better. Like, it's not even close. Man, I really like Open Door. I think Lyft will break through the weekly. I think it's gonna go higher. I mean, the financials on Lyft are amazing. They're like, if you compare the two companies, like, it's not even a competition. Let me bring up the Discord. Oh, you sent it. Cool. Thank you. Did you? No, you didn't. Yes, you did. Thank you so much. Okay, here, we'll read it. I don't know what website this is. I'm not gonna lie. Executives at AMC have been taking advantage. This is old news. That's old news up there. Where's the news? No, this is new. This is all old. I don't think you're. Is this what you guys are talking about? This is old news. I can't tell if you're being serious. This is like old news though, like not close to being new news. Like, you can look at the dates to when this happened. 16th, 17th. Like, wasn't their CEO. I'm just saying. Like, I mean. Is DK&D gone? Is it? God, it could explode. It could explode, but I mean, it's just so beat up right now. I think pin looks more attractive. Pin looks very attractive. AMC looks rocky. I think that's putting it lightly, but yeah. We got a knack for losing money. That's the most recent thing I could find about sell-off. I'm not sure whether I don't know what they're talking about either. That's what I'm saying. I don't know what they're talking about. I mean, I would love to be like, if there's news out there, I would love to see it, but like, I think people want to get real news. I don't know. Bought some shares of Pin. I like Pin as a company. Like their numbers are really good. Huge wall. Tesla cannot break to 690. Probably a little bit of a retrace coming. It is struggling. Struggling. Something like this where we get a push down and we get a break back up probably. Maybe. I don't know. Could be a long day for Tesla. I still like it though. Kind of get SCR. Buy them are still holding. This is a good day though. I mean, I'm pretty happy. I want more Blink. Blink, or I might get some charge point also. I don't know. I think there's more room for sure to go on these. See Chewy flip that. That's why I didn't buy it. I didn't get any. Just gotta be patient. Tiger quick and turning. You quick turning any option scalps this morning. As I'm good. That's actually MBIS. EPS great. UPS, what is UPC? I think it's a oil stock. No, it's not. It's pharmaceutical. I don't touch pharmaceuticals. I mean, I would never touch this with a 10-foot pole. Charge point is better than Blink? Maybe. I don't know. Blink has a lot more height. But chart-wise, maybe. It's possible. I liked where Blink was, though, on the chart as a whole. VRM, gosh, there's so many good looking plays right now. CRISPR is a cool stock, but they're not really like a Moderna type. Moderna and CRISPR are different. I think the play with most therapeutics are you wait till big names start looking into them and then kind of follow the big money. Big money. That's what if I'm playing therapeutics, that's what I usually do. Follow all big money moves. I think YY looks really good down here. Holy crap. Similar like this. You see how we triple top right there? Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Big breakout. There's no real resistance here either. It's weird where it's sitting at. These Chinese stocks are erupting. JD's doing good. Pinduoduo, they're all doing very good. But YY, I'm almost positive they missed on earnings and did pretty bad. Pretty positive. Yeah, they missed. Yeah, I knew they missed. Snow looks decent. Man. I kind of just want to chill. I mean, I kind of want to get one more thing and I just want to sit back and just relax. Maybe watch some Kong. I don't know. Feeling pretty good today. Very relaxing day. I really like Fubo. I'm telling you, I don't know why. I love the price action of what's going on with Fubo. Just like I loved Funko and I didn't buy stupid Funko. I've been telling everyone and everyone and their mom to buy that consult. Oh my god. Wow. I deserve to not make money on that play because I didn't play it. I deserve it. I'm just not forcing anything right now. I love Blink. Here we go. A little bit of, I think we gap close. Maybe we gap close. I love Blink. I literally love this play. Man. I know their earnings are doo-doo, but it doesn't matter. It's the infrastructure plan that's bringing them up. And clean energy is so beat up right now. Clean energy is getting shredded. Just the past like month and a half, just brutally wrecked. And that OBV is insane. I might just sit in my hands. I don't know. I'm just kind of tired too. I don't like the gym in the morning. I hate going to the gym in the morning. It's brutal. Colin was dope. Watch. I was like, don't ruin. I'll come out. I already know what's gonna happen. Like, I think this is really predictable. What's gonna happen? So it's like, but yeah. Tidy LTHM, the greatest lithium stock ever. No, I don't have any. I think this is old too. I think this is just going over. Oh no, this is new. This is new. I don't think it's gonna show me it though. That's nothing really. Okay. I believe it. I believe it. That's not good. Let's see what your favorite influencer says about this. That's funny. Oh man. That's comedy right there. I don't think you guys understand how bad that would be. I'm curious. I want to go watch. I want to watch it now. I want to watch it. How long ago was this? They probably don't have it posted. This dude goes on freaking CNBC more than anyone I know. What's his name? Adam. No, Adam Aaron. Yeah. God, what an idiot. Planning of 500 million shares of public some offer top boss. God, what an idiot. I would be so mad if I had tons of AMC shares. Oh my God, I'd be livid. I wouldn't be able to do anything. I'd be sick to my stomach today. Because he's throwing your money down the toilet. Holy crap. I want to hear his logic. I want to listen to that. I kind of want to get up, turn the stream off, and go watch that. Does anyone know why he said that? Like, I'm very curious why he would even, like, man, that guy is an idiot. Holy crap. Man. Wow. I would be so mad. I would be so mad. I'd be livid. I mean, I've already lost some money on AMC. I'm fine. Like I said, like, who cares? Like, for me, it's like just money that I was just gambling with instead of sports gambling, right? It's a shake off. Okay. April Fool's joke. Is that actually an April Fool's joke? I can't. Y'all better hope that's an April Fool's joke. Your options are probably dead. Yeah. I would assume your options are dead. I would just assume. Like, I'm not trying to be negative. I'm just factually saying that they're probably hurting pretty bad. It's bouncing near support. I mean, that's okay. But what looks bad is that, I'm telling you, this is what looks bad. Is you're getting, it's just, people get mad because they don't like, one, they don't like hearing stuff they don't want to hear. like children. But yeah, so we bounced down off support, coming back up, going to the monthly. If we get rejected hard from the monthly, that's like boom, 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 boom. Just saying, you know, yikes, yikes. Whew, man. Do you see a massive head and shoulders? I don't really work off of head and shoulders, you know. That's not how I do anything. So I think it's a dangerous game. Dude, man, that's tough. That is, oh man. I want to go like into some of these streams and see what they're saying. I'm honestly like, I can only imagine what they're saying. I can't imagine. I can't even imagine. Like, they're probably twisting some way to say why this is like good news. Like, guys, we're gonna have more shares to buy now, okay? We're gonna have more shares. Think about it. And then the retard's like, oh yeah, guys, now we can buy more shares. This is a great idea. Oh my gosh. What was it about AMC? So all your YouTubers that were saying this too, this is what makes me mad, is because everyone was saying that, like, you know, they just put this in there for the recount and this wasn't true, and that he doesn't want to dilute the shares, and he's open to a merger and stuff like that. No, he's not. Like, y'all are liars, bro. I don't know why y'all make... I'm going to have to come out here and expose them all. AMC CEO goes on CNBC this morning. He's asking shareholders to approve the 500 mil dilution. Dude's an idiot. Gosh. That's insane. Just dumb that people believe that crap, and like, it's whatever. I'll be the villain, I guess, the bad guy who hates AMC. It's not it. I mean, probably realistically what's gonna happen is AMC is gonna get shot down. This is a theory. AMC gets shot down, and then they just start stacking up the shorts once it like really starts coming back down. We'll see. In layman terms, it should be worth less. That's the correct way to say it. I think a lot of YouTubers speak in factual knowledge of saying what will happen, what should happen, and this and that. In theory, it should be worth less because the dilution of shares will dilute. I mean, there'll be 500 million more shares. It's not 100 million, it's 500 million. I'm gonna go up to a massive ad and I'll wipe my hair. Dude. What a quack. I am shooketh. I'm surprised Tesla's coming down. I'm watching it right here. A little bit of a retrace. I'm telling you, but it's the resistance. I mean, huge resistance. Come down a little bit, probably pop back. Be fine. Confirm. Full confirmation bias. Agreed all of you. And it's like, it's just, I don't want to talk about it. I get really frustrated talking about it. I can't talk about it. Honestly, it ruins my day talking about it. Is No Money live? Yeah, he is live. You see High Tide News, the earnings? Was there other news? You're lying. Was there more news? Could there be any more news? You're lying. They're just earnings. Okay, yeah. Their earnings, yeah, they shredded. They killed. And it's funny because like one of like these like loyal degenerate subs to AMC commented on my High Tide videos like, oh, you found $1 million penny stock. Good thing you're not in AMC anymore. I'm like, oh, funny. 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 Yeah, the earnings were sick. Gross. They were so good. Andrew, dude, eventually they're gonna get like people will get exposed. The only one that'll probably survive out of all of them is gonna be Trey. I think Trey will because he was doing other stocks before AMC, but I think it's really crappy that they sit there and say don't ride a trend. Like, you know what I mean? Like, if you're gonna say something, like, come on, don't ride a trend, and they want to say people are riding a trend and this and that. Let's look. I mean, if we want to be real, don't ride a so and it's like I mean, I'll tell someone straight up now, you know what I mean? Like, once you start lying and manipulating and like being fake, and that's what it is to me. I mean, unfollow me if you want, I don't care. So he makes this video, how to become a $1 million yearly income. First of all, just because you made so much money in 1 month based off of one trend does not mean it's going to continue. This AMC trend's going to die. Okay. Eventually it's going to. AMC's not going to be a stock like this forever. And if you look at the comparison of videos, so when he makes a video not about AMC, look what happens. It gets cut in half. I'm just saying. But he wants to say don't ride a trend. The last 20 videos, AMC. Oh, sorry. He's in the hospital. AMC. I mean, what are we talking about? But you want to call people out for riding a trend? I mean, the last time you went over a stock, he went over Microvision 2 weeks ago. Which rightfully so, but to tell people that you just shouldn't ride a trend, I'm sorry, but if you're new to YouTube and you hit a trend and your videos start blowing up, 110% you should ride the trend. The actual people who work for YouTube will tell you need to ride the trend. That's how the algo works. That's how you get pushed out to more people. And they want to say don't ride a trend. The dude hasn't made a video not on AMC in months. This dude. Are you kidding me? I mean, like, are we being serious? Clip this. I don't care. Send it to them all. I could care less. What are they going to say? Tyler is telling the truth. He's mad because what? I mean, if I wanted to, I can make it AMC. I could make 5 AMC videos a day and pump out more subscribers and be perma bullish and all this. But like, look, they're only AMC and GameStop videos. It's a joke, bro. Like, it's a joke. And like, people are getting sucked in. They're going to lose their money. It's a joke because no one gives honest, like, feedback on what's really going on. It's stupid. It's a joke. Because they know if they post real content, they'll lose subscribers. Which, I mean, I'm perfectly okay with. Why do I want a subscriber that's going to follow me? And when I say a stock is going to go down probably, or a stock might not go in a certain direction, they're going to get mad and post racist, stupid comments. I'm not a meme stock villain. It's like, I mean, I had money in AMC. I have options on it. You know what I mean? But like, I'm not going to sit here and tell people that it has to go up and that it can't go down. When you're watching my videos, there's zero bias. There's 0% of me saying that it has to go this way or it has to go, you know what I mean? I'll give you my targets, but that's about all I can give you. You know what I mean? Like, it's just, it's stupid. Whatever. It's gross. And I like Trey stuff, but once he made that video saying that you shouldn't ride a trend and this and that, that's BS. And he wants to go pay $10,000 for Jordan Belfort. I thought at first he was like, they were just doing a collab video, but that's trash, bro. If we're being serious, if you want to really be serious and say you don't like Robin Hood and you don't like who they are, Jordan Belfort's the king of what they did. I mean, if we're being in reality, and I believe in forgiveness, I believe in forget and forget. But you want to really talk about this whole situation, and then go talk about the most notorious man in the world for screwing over retail investors. It's idiot. It's hypocrisy. It's absolute hypocrisy. Absolute. I'm not perfect. I make mistakes every single day. There's flaws in my content and my TA. You'll find them. But I'm just saying, that crap's hypocrisy. And I think retail investors and the subscribers owe an apology. It's absurd. It's absurd. Whatever. Next subject. They released the interview. I don't know. We'll see what happens in the interview. We'll see. It's a fucking joke. It's a joke. How far do you think Blink's falling major support lines? It's sitting around top of resistance. What I'm looking at is this. Let me even make it smaller. This is what I'm looking at. That's where I think it holds. Blink's on a major downtrend, finally broke above it, holds this area. That's what I'm looking at. And there's a lot of open interest on it for going into next week. A lot. They're just going to talk about manipulation. It's a fucking joke. What is he going to say? What would you do, Jordan? What would you have done? Dude, got some Root shares. Root looks good. Root long term looks really juicy. I'm a big fan of Root. It's going to pop. I think it's going to pop up soon. I love it. I'll probably buy some shares right now. I like it a lot. I sound bitter. Why am I bitter? I'm bitter on the fact that people manipulate the market and they're hypocrites. That's what I hate. That's my whole channel is built around it. My whole channel is built about being as truthful as possible. Now you can perceive me as a douchebag, an asshole, whatever you want to perceive me as. I don't care. But at the end of the day, when you watch my content, you're getting 100% reality. Okay, you're getting 100% my truth and what I believe. I sound like a New Yorker. I'm from Texas, so I don't know, but you sound like someone who like has Trey's dick in your mouth. That's what you sound like when you say that crap. You say I sound bitter. I mean, how do I sound bitter? What could I be bitter about? We'll see who's bitter. When Root fucking goes up and AMC goes down, we'll see who's bitter. We'll see what happens. And then we'll see all the same people that said, Tyler, you're taking the volume out of AMC. Guys, you're idiot. If you really honest to God think that retail pushed GameStop from $48 to $341 in 2 weeks time and then dropped it from $342 down to $174. This is the icing on the cake. Right here, right? This 345 dip to here, you lost your mind. And then if you want to say, well, it's hedge fund manipulation, you have no brain, probably. But yeah, like if you want, you can't get one without the other. You can't say this is hedge funds and this is retail. You can't do that. You know what I mean? That's stupidity. Like, you know, this is dumb. The teenage AMC cult. Yeah, they're finding reasons to be bullish right now. Surprise. I think AMC will eventually, I think it's going to go up. I do not think it's coming straight back down to $5, $6. I would be thoroughly surprised. If we get below this 890 range though, bias would probably change. We'll have to see what happens. But if we hold this 9.4, which we are holding, we came down, we touched like 9.5. Funny, charts don't matter apparently, but we respect the resistances every single day. But if we break down below this range, then I'd be like, okay, this is scary. This is some scary stuff. But if you're in shares, I mean, like, I wouldn't be concerned. I keep saying that. If you're in shares, it's just like buy, hold, you believe in the company, you believe in what's going on. Congratulations, good. You know what I mean? Kudos. It's like me with Blink right now. Blink is down. I'm in Blink, it's down a little. I'm in Tesla, it's down a little bit. Do I care? No, I have confidence in I have confidence in why I think it's gonna go up. I have confidence in my opinion. Could I lose money? Yes. Is it more money than I'm willing to lose? Will it kill me? Will I go poor? Will I be broke? No, I won't. Because I have some sort of risk tolerance. Are we still fighting the hedgies? But dude, I think you're fighting the YouTubers at this point, to be honest. It's like a battle of who can produce more crazy news. So if you go like AMC, dude, there's unlimited amounts of news. Unlimited. Like, it's just every day is just bad news, bad news, bad news. And then you go to YouTube and it's like crazy manipulation, crazy, like, it's like, oh my God. It's like I'm watching Ancient Aliens on YouTube. Yeah, a CEO just basically said on MSNBC, CNBC, whatever it is, that he wants shareholders to accept 500 million dilution. What's your opinion on that, guys? Still bullish on ZOM? Swing trade, yes. I still feel really good. Oh, got above the monthly level. Love it. Oh man, wow. Wow. This is this is WTI. This is crude. That's no buenos nachos. What's XLE doing? XLE is holding monthly, which is good. We got back above and holding. I kind of want to enter back into it. I like it a lot. The YouTubers are turning this movement into extreme cringe. Ancient. Okay, so this is the theory. Okay, so this is just my opinion on the dilution. I'll probably make a video about this too. I'll make a video. I don't care. I'll make another one. I'm not gonna make the video inside the stream. That's just I don't like that. So this is my opinion on that. There's two cases. They accept the dilution. They stick a band-aid on a. Right now, I believe AMC is like a World War II veteran, right? They just went on D-Day. They got blown up. Like they're like barely surviving. They have like flesh ripping off of them. That's AMC right now, okay? Because the way they do their business sucks. And if you want proof that AMC as a business sucks, let me show you something. Let me show you this beautiful looking chart. Honestly, you could be dealing with like an Enron or some type of crazy business that's just going to go under and that's scamming people. We could really be seeing something like that. This is AMC's total chart view. Okay, that's what's going on. I see people subscribed. Thank you. Appreciate the love. Love you all. Okay, this is AMC's total chart. This is going back to 2014. So you'll notice they topped off within like a year at $35. They double topped in 2016. So within 2 years, they hit their peak. And since their second year, they have been on a continuous downtrend. Okay, so why is this important? Okay, so something's wrong with the financials. They can't beat. They don't do well. They're just continuously going. I'm going to show you what a good business in this field looks like. And you're going to get mad. You're going to hate me, yada, yada, yada. This is a long-term perspective, what you need to look at on AMC. Do I believe it could still go up? Yes. But am I playing it for the financial reason of the company's good? No. I have a brain. Okay, and then I can look at a chart and I can look at financials, and I can use deductive reasoning. Why I should not think that this is going to be a profitable business anytime soon, especially after all the debt that they just added. Okay, so we've been on a double top trend. Okay, so this is year 2. This is year 2 of being in a company, and something crazy happened in year 3. We plummeted. We went down to $10. Okay, we went back down to $10, double bottomed, then we came back up. Now people will say, okay, the YouTubers, guys, look, this is we're starting the trend back up. No, this is called a slight retracement. That's what this is called, because then we got rejected at that resistance. Okay, that's called a SR, support and resistance. I know, not a straight line. I'm sorry, but terrible hand. See, that support resistance line, and then we got rejected, and we did it again, and then we came down, and we did it again, and we're not even where COVID is. So by the time COVID hits, where's COVID? We're still dumping right here. We'll say right here. This right here represents COVID. That's when coronavirus hit America. The stock was worth about $7 to $8. We'll say before. We'll say in January. We'll say no. Sorry, I'll be generous. We'll say November 25th, around Thanksgiving. $8.74 represents the price. So we'll say 9. We'll be even more generous. $9 represents pre-COVID. Okay. So that represents before COVID happened. That's how much the stock was worth. That's where it was. So everyone's gonna say we're a $25, we're a $30 stock, we're a $40 stock. You're an idiot. Yeah, you can't. I mean, look at the books. You know what I mean? The books tell you everything. Numbers don't lie. Okay, but what is the industry failing, Tyler? Are you saying that movies just aren't important? Not what I'm saying. Not what I'm saying. A smart business recreates the company. A smart business pivots. And now you're gonna say, Tyler, Cinemark doesn't have as many movie theaters. I don't care how many movie theaters they have. I care about how successful the company is. And the trend and the financials tell you a completely different story. So Cinemark's been around for a while. We all know Cinemark's been around, for a hot minute. So up until the 2014, it was on a clear uptrend. Actually, when AMC started their downtrend, we were still topping off. We went down, came back up, came down, came back up, came down. So while AMC was plummeting, because remember, AMC started plummeting in the beginning of 2017. Cinemark was still doing very well, consolidating, and then we started coming down in the end of 2019, And then when Corona hit, where was Cinemark at? It was at $28. So AMC was at about $9, which is really generous. And then we'll say in March, we were at $28. Okay, but if we go back in November, if we use the same dates, it's at like $35. But anyways, so people are saying they're comparing this. What has Seminar been doing to pivot? They're changing their business. Okay, so let's say we go into an AMC. If you've been to any AMCs, I've been to my whole life. I lived in Houston, so we have like 13 total AMCs in the Houston area. I've been to, I think, every single one of them. I'm not going to count the ones in the hood. Those are terrible and pretty scary, and I would not invest too much money into those. But what they're doing is they are pivoting their business model, and they're creating the IMAX theaters. Like, if Cinemark, for instance, has the premium theaters now, and they also have food. They have, I think AMC does like the food as well in certain theaters, but not all of them. They're creating more like a luxury type experience going to the movie theater, right? That's what they're doing. They're making it because if you're going to the movie theater, you're not going because it's the only place you can watch the movie anymore. And I think Cinemark was preparing for this in a way, because they've been doing this over the past like 4 or 5 years. And so if you're going to the movies now, you don't need to go. Like, I don't need to go to the movies to watch Kong. If I wanted to go watch the new King Kong movie, it's because I want to get the experience of the movie theater. It's a premium, okay? It's a premium experience. I've been trying to explain to people, but no one wants to accept the fact. But it is what it is. And actually, if you look at Cinemark, we're bouncing on that support. It's pretty beautiful. It's probably going to make another uptrend. But you're paying for I got to keep saying the premium. It's what you're paying for. And Cinemark has exemplified and focused directly on that premium price. That's what they're focusing on. And they've also made deals with subscriptions and other things like that. And they're just run better. AMC has been on a continuous downtrend. They're run poorly. Just because you have more real estate doesn't mean you're worth more money. That's not what it means. That doesn't mean that you're more successful because you have more buildings. That's stupid logic. That's bad logic, okay? You watch the McDonald's movie one too many times. That's not what it means, okay? So I think people are not looking at the facts. They're not looking at the past. They're not looking at the history of the company. And that's just I'm not saying to go buy Cinemark. Although when Cinemark did dip at $18, I bought. Not a dead cat watch. I'm not saying it's not. You're missing the point. You're missing the point of what I'm saying. The point is that it's wrong and it's stupid to tell people that this thing has to go up and that it's so manipulated and it's this and it's that, and you make a video every single day on manipulation. That's the stupid part. Okay, that's the stupid part. Because everyone knows it's manipulated, but half the manipulation are throwing out there that's saying it's illegal. If it's illegal, they should be arrested. Okay, and people want to say, well, the system's rigged and they're beating it and you can't beat the hedgies. Well, not really true, because the guy that trades is going on a video with and has a video coming out today was arrested by the SEC for screwing over retail traders. So if the SEC didn't really care about retail traders, like everyone kind of thinks right now, Jordan Belfort would have never went to prison. I'm just saying. You know what I mean? Everyone from that movie never would have went to prison. Like, doesn't make any sense. Dog water is greater than, yeah, it is greater than that. So I'm just telling you, I'm not saying it's going to go to the ground. That's not what I'm saying. If it goes up, I'll still make money. I have call options on it. That's what I'm saying. But what I'm saying is that this mentality that it can't go down is very dumb. It's very, it's very, very dumb. Is DKNG flying? Oh, it is flying. That monthly retest though. Oof, yikes. So whatever, do what you want. Best of luck. I don't want anyone to lose money. That's never what I want from this channel. I don't care if you agree with me or don't agree with me. I want everyone to do well. That's the ultimate goal here. Also, I posted in my video on I think the root video, I said, I don't care if you make money. I don't care if you lose money. I want to make money. That's not, or you're happy. I want to make money. I definitely said that wrong. I got some negative comments about that. I was like, oh, dude, yeah, I didn't word that right. I sounded very selfish. But I can't word it to say I can't ever word it in a video and say, I want you to make, or I want to make you money. I can't say that. Like, that wording is, I know people on here will say stuff. It's not financial advice. And they're like, well, you need to go buy this stock. I mean, I can say I'm not gay. And then if I say I'm not gay and I go have sex with a dude, I'm probably gay. You know what I mean? Like, it's just like the facts. You know what I mean? So, what's your chance on potential short squeeze? Based on the numbers that we are getting for the short squeeze and the short interest and stuff going on there, it doesn't look like the short squeeze will happen soon. Do I think it will eventually happen? Yes. Do I think it will happen soon? It doesn't look like it's possible soon. Okay. Now, granted, this is where the manipulation comes in, and I've been here 100% of the time. I've remained strong on this statement that I'm about to say. We do not know the actual numbers. I believe we don't know the actual numbers. When I made the video on Root yesterday, the Root actual numbers, if we look what it's releasing to us on Market Beat, so no. So it says that the short percent of float is 43%, so that's a short interest, right? But Andrew Left and his team have studied it and done more research, and they believe that the number is closer to 80%. So that's proof that we don't have all the information, and that these other people are having better numbers and have access to more data with the dark pool and stuff like that. And it's like, I don't want to talk about all that because like it's just like you're gonna get on a rabbit trail, and it's all hypotheticals. And we're not here to talk about hypotheticals. We're here to hopefully talk about facts. So I don't know. My opinion. So that's what I'm saying there is we just don't have the numbers. And if we talk about the numbers, it's like, what good is it to talk about numbers if we don't have access? You know what I mean? Like, I'm just making, you want me just to make stuff? I mean, I could make stuff up for you if you really want me to. I don't really want to, but if that's what you want from me, I can try to just make stuff up until I find something that makes you happy. I'm joking. I'm never going to do that because I don't. I'm never going to do that. I'd lose my mind. Seriously, I would lose my mind. I would legitimately lose my mind doing that. So, hope you got something out of that. Uh-oh, Nasdaq, please hold. It's fine, it's fine. What a solid open to the month. SPX at 4,004, insane. What a day. Guys, I don't, and yeah, that's the thing. Like, I wasn't, when people make videos on AMC, I understand. You know what I mean? Like, I totally understand. Like, I mean, I make AMC videos. I mean, no, I make them transparent. I don't make it what you want to hear. I make whatever it is. But like, I can just show you the growth that people are getting. Like, this guy's solid. He's a solid guy. Nope. His voice is a little bit of a turn on. I'm not gonna lie, but subscribers the last 30 days. Like, this guy's gained, like, see all of his views. His total lifetime is 2.3. Half of his views came in the past month. Because I mean, videos, which there's no hate on that. He's getting like 1,000 subs a day. Congrats. Like, I'm happy for these people. Like 23K subs in a month, half his subs in a month. But like, it's just AMC. Like, and there's no hate on that. You know what I mean? Like, he makes other content, but he took advantage of the trend. You know what I mean? So I think it's negative to tell people don't take advantage of the trend when that's how YouTube was built. You're doing your job. It's YouTube is these people's jobs. So to judge someone's character and say don't write a trend, create a trend, it's stupid. Like, that's not true. That's bad. Like, that's not how the market. That's like not. You didn't go to school then, because marketing 101 is do the trend. Companies pay you millions of dollars. The companies pay millions of dollars for this. You know what I mean? Like, it's dumb. Like, so I like this guy. He's actually pretty solid. He seems pretty unbiased. I haven't watched too many of his videos, so I can't vouch too heavily for him. But like, I mean, Belmont, for instance, like I don't hate Belmont. I thoroughly enjoy talking to Belmont. Super good viewpoints we usually have. Pretty educated conversations also. I don't know how his subs have done. We have pretty similar numbers. He's done pretty good. But he's done, I mean, he doesn't just make AMC videos. Like, you see, it's everything. Everything. It's like tons of stocks he goes over. It's just TA though. You know what I mean? And when if I just make AMC videos for myself personally, let's say I just want to make AMC videos, you'll see I get more views. So if I only talk about AMC, I'll get more views. But if I talk about other stuff along with AMC, I'll get less views. Sucks, that's the way it is. But that's just the trend. It's like, so you can't get mad, but I'm saying when you come out and you tell people don't follow the trend, create your own trend, that's the stupidest thing I've ever heard. It sounds like you just moved to Los Angeles and you're talking to a whole bunch of liberals, a whole bunch of hipsters at USC or something. It's crazy. So the people want God King. They all want God King. What is Kyle doing actually? Dude, I'm dead. They want God King. He literally loves that name. You say, "Hey, I'm a liberal." I don't care if you're a liberal. I mean, I don't have either viewpoint, to be honest. I'm probably twisted in the head, but I'm just saying that I think that's where you're wrong, is that you start to judge people, but you're doing the same thing. Like, it's like, what? Like, what are you talking about? And like when I'm wrong, like I'm not better than nobody. I've made apology videos where I've been wrong. I'm the first one to do it. I don't care. It's like, I mean, I'm gonna get paid to make right here. I get paid a few bucks to tell people that I'm wrong. I mean, I don't care. And it shows people my true character. Like, you know what I mean? Like, and traders need to know you're gonna lose money. You're gonna be wrong. Like, that's like one of the most educational parts of it. That's when you really start to learn how to trade, is when you start losing. I know it sounds bad, but when you lose money, unless you're just a degenerate gambler, that you know who I'm talking to in this chat. You'll learn from losing money. That's how I learned most of my stuff. Working nonstop with all my spare money, trading with it. I had my son. I was in a terrible relationship, which I was miserable in. The only thing I really liked doing was day trading, right? That's the only thing I really liked doing. And that's how I learned essentially all I learned. Like, you know what I mean? Like, learning from my mistakes and learning from each thing. Like, you know what I mean? I don't know. So it's up to you guys. No politics. So this is the stream. So me and Kyle, we went to we have a terrible habit. If we work out in the mornings at 5 a.m., we always we always go to I don't think you we always go to McDonald's. And so when we do the stream, we'll probably do it sometimes at my house, but for the most part, I want to do most of the streams at McDonald's. I don't know how to make a video on how to price action trade. I would be jumping all over the place. And the McDonald's people will be our employees because that's our off. I think that'll be that'll blow. That'll be hilarious. How much money do I need to retire? Man, I was talking to my barber. My barber does he works in oil and gas, and he like loves cutting hair. That's like his passion. He cuts hair cuts hair amazing. Oh my god, this guy. I need to ban this guy from my God, I want to find his number and call him. Tell him to stop making music now. So, yeah, he is like just like a money saving machine. But yeah, to retire, I don't know. It depends what you want to do when you retire. It depends where you work and stuff. God King cult. I want root to the moon. We need to get root to the moon trending. REWT though. Cost halted. Is cost? I don't know. I can look. Jeez. Cost to the moon. It's just funny because like AMC and GME could do that at any point in time. GME still looks really good. I think GME looks right. I kind of can't stop talking about it. I think Kyle owns a bunch of Tesla. It's not doing too hot. Thoughts on old school RuneScape? You talking about Osiris? Or you talking about old school RuneScape? I don't know what you're talking about. MVIS, it got news. It was some of that news with Microsoft. It wasn't really like anything specific. Ooh, Fubo dumped. Thank God I didn't touch that crap. We're getting really random like movement in the market right now. I'll tell you that. SPY's doing great, about to break 300. Nasdaq going berserk. Everything's looking great. Wow. Do you think AMT hype hurts the GME? No, I don't think. No, I think no. Peter Schniff just said I was wrong about Bitcoin. That's funny. Wow. If you follow Bitcoin, that's funny. XLE. What's XLE? Dude, XLE is looking good. Wow. Do I grab ZOM now? That's a real question. I think ZOM is about to have a month. We'll see. We shall see. Where's Lyft? Lyft did not get that move. Lots of retracing, but the market looks good. Kind of a scary thought. Tyler, what do you think about the naked? I think naked's trash. Ever since Valentine's Day, that's just been a scary thought to even look at. Tyler, what do you think about? Yeah, I talked about that on Root might be dipping. Market's kind of dipping right now, but it's holding above this range, which is nice. FTFE keeps running. Sold my ZOM. I got out of my ZOM. Don't be hating Bitcoin. Honey pot. I want more Blink. I'm telling you, I don't know why I'm loving Blink. It's holding up too. Nasdaq getting a retrace. What's up with Root? What do you mean what's up with it? Like I'm gonna be very clear. When I'm talking about Root, I mean I think I said a lot in the video that it's not a short term get your money really quick, okay? It's gonna be a longer term position for me. I think once it gets to about 14.5, it's gonna start moving quick. That's when I think it's gonna start really moving. But until then, I don't really know. You know, we can move stagnant, we can consolidate. Who knows how it works till then? You started hearing people talk. Who's talking about Root? You're lying. Is there anyone talking? I'll be pissed. I'm trying to do what Trey told me to do. I'm trying to make my own trend, guys. I'm trying to get off the trend. The stock is cool, but what I'm saying, this guy's talking about Rick Mortis. It kind of sucks like people are gonna be talking about it, but they're not gonna have the following, which really hurts. Because I can talk about Root, but it's not gonna get any views. Probably the only reason why mine got any views was because I had AMC and stuff with it. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm a dude. I'm a cute dude. So, I mean, half the Root stock things come up with their actual trees. So I don't really think anyone's talking about it, though. Sea Horseman. The Max dude's pretty cool. The Max dude makes good content. He doesn't even make AMC videos. Good for him. This guy Max Maurer, freaking male mall looking ass. It's a compliment, by the way, dude. If you're watching this ever. He makes his is more like actual financial information, like stimulus checks, PPP loans. He's a big Palantir guy. He likes Palantir. Palantir does really well. So he makes pretty good content. Pretty diverse too. Good for him. He's not a troll. Well, actually, I don't mind if you're a troll. Trolls are good for the community. Give us your favorite call option to play over the next 2 weeks. Gah. If we hold up, I think Blink will be probably my favorite one. Blink will do well. I think Blink will do well. I think Snow is going to do well. Fubo's scary. Fubo got a dip. But Fubo's coming right back to that support, which I like. But it's super risky. That's definitely a risky play. Neo came down. Alessa's coming back down. Man, I liked Oracle this morning too. I just didn't play it. Peloton looks good. Snow's, I really like Snow. I'm really liking Snow. Dude, I'll tell you what, this pay safe crap is pissing me off. Probably pay safe too. It's so stupid. AMGRD, baby. Congrats to the boys. Congrats to the boys. Golf claps in the chat for the boys in the Discord that have been holding an MGRF. This thing is an absolute monster. Absolute monster. It's a tank. I want a box Mac. Matthew D. So Matthew D's here searching, guys. So Matthew D's here. So I'm gonna address Matthew D because I love talking to haters. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So why did I say good for him? Good for Max Maurer. Because he has a solid base. Good for him as a person. He has a solid base. He doesn't have to make that content. He has a solid base of people, and he can make all these other videos. I mean, he has 200K subs. I mean, do I need to go? I mean, do I need to go on? Like, he can post whatever he wants. And he's gonna get views at this point in time. Benefits of having 200K. Now, if we go back, let's go to his oldest videos. He's been around for a while, I think. So it started, his trend was, you know, stimulus and everything going on there. Again, because when you're a new channel and your channel started, he was getting 1K, like lower views, slower. And then what happened? Boom, his 40K view video. And he was like, okay, I think I'm on to something. He tried forgivable loan. It was okay. Loan, it was okay. And then he came back to stimulus. He was like, okay. And then it started taking off, going off again. That's probably what blew his channel up. Check sent, and so that's where he kind of built his niche at right there, right? That's he has a total different niche. So you want to come and say good for him. So the hypocrisy. What have I said on my channel that's hypocritical of anyone? What have I said? I like you, dude, but you make no sense sometimes. Don't get high, don't make sense. That doesn't make sense. That literally doesn't make sense. How do you know a dip? I said a dick. How do you know a dip is actually a really dick when it seems like you were literally on Trey's live and you were talking about him making good statement? That's all I'm saying. I know. So again, Matt. Okay, again, Matthew. Let's talk. What has been my going statement on this channel? People were saying you hate Trey in the beginning, then I like Trey, then I hate him, and I like him, and I hate him. That was never the statement. Someone asked me before a long time ago, what's my viewpoint on Trey, and do I think there's anything wrong with what he does? I go, I don't think there's anything wrong with him. He posts technical analysis. Only thing I could say maybe that he doesn't do is he doesn't post any negative videos on stocks. And then you listen to him and he says, I don't short stocks, which that's a debatable topic. But if he doesn't short stocks, then why would he want to make negative videos on a stock? That doesn't make any sense. Unless he makes a video specifically for someone. Okay, so now let's resort back to what you're saying. Was I on a stream? 100% I was on a stream. Okay, and it's funny because we were on a stream, we barely talked about AMC. And then after that, I had nothing but nice things to say. I actually recommended a lot of his videos. Where was the turning point in my head for Trey? What pissed me off about him? He went over here, and again, it's like you're not listening. And it's hard. People they want to comment, and they want to talk out of their ass when they don't listen. So if you want to go watch this video right here, 5 secrets to build $1 million income on YouTube. I don't want to talk about that subject, but anyways, so he tells people don't ride a trend. Trends are bad. Then I have people commenting on mine and commenting on other people's channels saying you're riding a trend, this and that. That's stupidity. If you're new to YouTube and you have a trend that blows your channel up, you stay on the trend. If you go to college and you take marketing and that's your major, they tell you as a company, when a trend hits, you follow the trend. That's why companies follow trends. It's like, what are you talking about? Well, that's a bucking. I don't want to say your word. I'm gonna get demonetized for probably cussing saying it. So the problem is that people, they like to jerk other people off, and I hope I don't have anyone that thinks of me that highly. I tell people to question everything I say. It's funny because when I make a statement, I'm like, go look it up for yourself. And I don't talk about the manipulation and stuff. I don't even talk about that. I was really quiet about that. But once we start, calling other people out and saying that you need to follow your own, make your own trend. How are you gonna make a trend if you have like 1,000 subs? That's so stupid. That's like a dumb statement. Like, YouTube doesn't work that way. Okay, and then you want to question my spirituality. You say I love the Lord, then let's act like it. You said my ducks in my mouth. No. First of all, in any statement that I ever post about religiousness, or my religious views, I will 100% say that I'm not perfect, and that half the time you might not even be able to tell. But one thing that I don't waver on is being transparent and being real and telling the truth. When it comes to this situation, because you need to have the blunt truth. If someone is lying, manipulating, and then claims to be transparent about subject and then does the exact opposite of what they say, you need to have someone that exposes that. Okay? Because people are losing money. People are going to lose money. Okay? That's the fact. Because people are gonna back off. Trey again. Here we go. I don't care. I could care less about y'all's opinion. I could care. I'm not gonna go into Trey's comments and stuff. I don't want to talk about it. But he asked a question. I answered the question. It's just dumb. It's so stupid. This whole make it like that. And there's people that are gonna waste their time on YouTube and do stuff, and that's just hurt. You don't know how long it takes. You know how long it took to get to the point on YouTube of 15K subs and stuff. You know how long that process took. It's ridiculous. Everyone likes Trey because I should have screenshotted the thing I got. I'm not personally attacking Trey. I haven't. I mean, I've said plenty of times he's a good guy. That what he said is wrong. Okay. Money will die with AMZN. That's what we're gonna see is who survives. Trey will survive. 100% Trey will survive. Will views hurt? Views are gonna hurt because less people are gonna be searching about stocks, but Trey will survive. I think out of Trey and everyone, he's gonna be the one that survives there. Maybe the only one. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I think people are gonna start getting exposed though for not knowing anything about the financial market or what happens or how money flows. But we'll see. Who knows? Whatever. Stonk talk. Back to stonks. Back to our regular schedule. I mean, right now we're doing nothing. We're just trending. We're just trending sideways. Lunchtime too. At support. Keys look okay. Yields. Everything's solid. DXY still dumping. SPY still sitting pretty at 39, 399. The Nasdaq is the only thing that's kind of volatile right now. Where's Tesla? Oh my gosh. Closing the gap. Why no media about PaySafe? What do you mean, me? Keep bringing me plays congratulations, Funko. I'm pissed I didn't buy any. That's what I'm saying though, is like there's so many, like it sucks because like I mean that's proof though, like that's proof that like we have to like make content on certain things. Like I can make videos on high tide and good stocks that I love all day, like if I want to, right? Like, but high tide 800, it sucks, you know. It is what it is. Like it's just the way that it's a way that it is, you know. Or this is actually the high tide one, I think. I don't know which one it is, but whatever. Sucks. It's just, this was NMGRF. But yeah, it is what it is. Funko's insane. So, dude, cheesy thumbnail pics make me never want to watch his vids again. DXY is just $1 compared to other currencies, right? Yep, it's a dollar index. It's basically to show you the value of the dollar. Typically, when dollar goes down, stocks go up, which makes sense because it's a risk off. That makes, I hope that makes sense. That should make sense. I feel like that should make sense. Should definitely make sense. I just accidentally sold a position instead of buying another one. Oh my god. Oh my god, I want to scream. Oh my god. I'm an idiot. Oh. Instant karma. Wow. I'm so mad. Oh my god. Oh my god, that was I cannot believe that just happened. Oh, it hurts so bad. Wow. Oh, that sucks so bad. Wow, I'm so pissed right now. I've never done that before. I have literally never done that before in my life. I'm so mad right now. Holy crap. That is the most frustrating thing I think I've ever done in my life. I cannot believe I really cannot believe I just did that. Oh my gosh. I am a ding dong. I can't, I legitimately cannot believe I just, I don't even know how I did. I can't, what did I just do? I'm so mad at myself right now. Oh, wow. I'm so. Oh, Belmont video title. We are short. Is he really? Is he short on it, dude? I love Belmont. I love him. Can we get him in here? Is he live right now? Let me see if he's live. Kyle, any girl I talk to better refer to me as God King Kyle. Oh, I sold a Tesla. Oh my god, I cannot believe I sold that crap. I am so mad about that. Oh my god. Oh man, that is like my head is gonna explode. Oh, by the way, Dave, thank you. I just saw that. I wasn't in this. Is Belmont? He's not in here. Oh, he is. I didn't see him. Hey, Belmont. Sorry, I just accidentally sold a position like an idiot. Dude, I'm so pissed. Oh my god. Oh, it is so frustrating. I cannot believe I did that. Oh, I've never done that before in my life. That's why I always close out. What's it called? Go watch the video. If I watch the video, let me watch it on my phone really quick. Because if I watch the video, I'll get deep. I don't care if I get. Who cares if I get? I don't even care. I don't even care. It's just money, like, right? I just threw like $600 down the toilet. $500. Oh my god! I have to buy more Tesla. I want to scream. Oh my god, that's infuriating. That's the most frustrating thing I think I've ever done in my life. I'm gonna pull up the video for you guys. I can't believe I just did that. Holy crap, that is maddening what just happened. Look at my hair is crazy right now. Oh, wow. Man, that is some frustrating stuff right there. Let me tell you something. April. I literally I cannot believe I've never done that before. I've never done that. Ever. I feel like I have like Alzheimer's or something right now. Holy crap. Alzheimer's. What a ding dong of a move. Wow. I can't believe it. Let me pull this video up for you guys. Sorry. Let's go. I wonder if Belmont's been watching me troll the whole time. All these YouTubers. He probably gets a good laugh out of it. It has to be. It's a joke. It's a joke. There's no way it's not a joke. By the way, I like Belmont, guys, if you want to sub to him. He's a good guy. Belmont, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a fan of your intro though. I mean, it's super good quality. It needs more pizzazz, you know? A little bit more pizzazz. That's I like the logo. But then again, I guess.
Welcome to Belmont Capital. So, as you can tell by the title of the video, yes, we are short on AMC, and due to some new rules and regulations, we're gonna go over why exactly that is, why exactly that we're disclosing that with you guys today. So let's dive in. Let's talk about first why we're short AMC, where we think the price is gonna go. We also have to talk about the new rules and regulation that is coming in.
Wait. Crap, I'm also retarded. Turn the volume up. Crank that bad boy up. I know, I'm sorry. God, the wind, holy crap.
Welcome to Belmont Capital. So, as you can tell by the title of the video, yes, we are short on AMC, and due to some new rules and regulations, we're going to go over why exactly that is, why exactly that we're disclosing that with you guys today. So let's dive in. Let's talk about first why we're short AMC, where we think the price is going to go. We also have to talk about the new rules and regulation that is coming in that is forcing us to disclose our positions within the stock. And then we'll disclose our positions, tell you exactly what we're holding, where we got in, and why we're doing that. So first of all, AMC is down 3.2% as of right now this morning. And with that, it should be pretty obvious, I think, from any.
I'm just saying this is an April Fool's joke, Belmont. I would like put the April Fools a lot more in the beginning, because let me tell you something. Those trolls, they come in quick and they come in hard. So they'll watch the first 30 seconds and they'll just be out. They'll be like roasting your ass. So personally, I would put this is an April Fool's joke like way in the beginning, because let me tell you something. They're absolute savages. Now, you have a few more subscribers than me. I understand. So I would be a little bit more lenient with how many subscribers I'm willing to lose. But, we all know Tyler Wilson just does not care about his subscribers and is willing to lose them all. But yeah, but I do like making money. So anyways, back to the video.
Fundamental investor standpoint, just anything at all. AMC is not valued at $9.86 a share. AMC does not have a future. There's a lot of factors that are going into the entrance of that short position that come into play. And I think that it's very, very obvious. Anybody who is long on this stock should be realizing that this thing does not have a future. I think we can tell that by these random spikes that we get. They're driven by nothing but these kids on Reddit trying to pump this stock up. They're making money, some of them. It's ones who know how to sell. And we're taking advantage of it as well, going on the short side when they pump it up, because we know it's going to instantly drop. And that's what you see. The volatility is not in favor of the bulls. Nothing about the stock is in favor of the bulls. The accumulation distribution ratio through the roof, which means that, you guys are overbuying and not selling, which is not good for a stock. That's exactly why we entered a short position a few months ago, or a month ago, roughly. So with that, where do we see this going into the future? Well, again, I don't think AMC has a future. The demand for their product, the demand for theaters is gone. I don't think anybody really wants to go to the theaters anymore. There's going to be zero demand. There's going to be zero thing to drive this price going forward. We just got a $500 million offering that came in. They're crushed for money. They don't have the fundamentals of AMC are just straight garbage, to be honest with you guys.
But he's actually not lying. Like, I actually agree. Like, I think Velmont would agree too. That's actually kind of true.
And that's exactly why we're making a ton of money on the short side, because that's how you play the stock market. And you guys got to realize this. This is a basic stock market 101, if you will. When a stock increases from $1.90 to $20 within a matter of weeks, it's not going to be there. The same thing with GameStop as well. I know this title is about AMC, but we're also short on GameStop, because it's the same exact thing that we think, is that the stock is not valued at $187 a share. It's just not. It's, the channel that we're in right now is a perfect channel for me. It's a perfect channel because we continue to drip day in and day out, and just slight channel down, which is perfect because you still get those bulls with, grab their money and run with it. And then, it's just, it amazes me, honestly, to be quite frank with you guys, that you guys are even long on this stock. I think it's hilarious. I think it's absolutely, it's sad, to be honest, that anybody would be so ridiculously ignorant to invest in the stock that's gone this high up. Now,
I do want to address him. Trade discloses all his positions, and that's another thing that I will 100% trade, is that he is 1,000% transparent with his trades. There's no question about that. Most of these other guys, they don't post their trades, they don't post their options or anything. It's $500, right? And some of these people that are getting 20K view of a video, most of the guys streaming, their financial, that's their own business, but they're making 50, 60K a month off of this AMC trend. Which, could I be taking advantage of that? Yes. I just, personal reasons, I just don't want to. But yeah, so trade, I do want to say that he posts all of his trades. He posts him buying $30,000 one night with their AMC. So yeah, back to the video.
Coming down today, GameStop getting wrecked as well, down $1.53 a share, which means more money for us. The volume slowly trickling off. You're getting terrible volume on GameStop by dollar amount traded. The MACD is horrible on a daily. You look at it right now, and we're dripping down. We're going to get a signal line MACD crossover, which means this thing is going to come down to $100 a share. That's perfect. It should be at about $5 a share, but you have to talk about what's the pivot for GameStop. You know, where do we go from here? Why is it that no one wants games anymore? Well, they're all digital. GameStop can't service that industry because everything's digital. Their products are, you know, once every 5 years they get a new console, their shares will spike, their earnings will spike, and then they'll go right back down. That's exactly what we saw last quarter. And even so, they absolutely screwed the pooch on last quarter's earnings call. I mean, they basically just said that their stock's worthless, and that's exactly why we doubled down our short position there. So now pivoting to why we have to disclose our short positions. Well, I'm not trying to manipulate the market. I'm not trying to drive the market. I'm not trying to fluctuate the market. It's merely due to the fact that we have entered a short position a couple months ago, back in the beginning of February, on both AMC and GameStop. We'll disclose that right now. Now, the reason that we have to disclose it is because of the new short report rules and regulations, SLR rules that have come in. So we got into AMC at a trade price of $15.52, GameStop $3.84. We're also short on SOS and SNDL. We don't have to disclose our long positions due to this new rule. So with that, these are the short positions that we own, that we have, and this is as of last night when we screenshotted this. So with that being said, I'm trying to be transparent, but I'm also legally obligated to be transparent with you guys if I have this influencer platform, if you will. So with that being said, we'll continue to make videos. We'll continue to give you guys our daily analysis on these stocks, why we think it. You may be asking yourself, where'd you get the capital? How'd you get the capital to invest in these stocks at this rate? Well, we've been backed by a few hedge funds in these positions, and we'll continue to be backed by them because we'll continue to make them money. And we'll look for some more things to come with Belmont Capital in the future. But as of right now, these are our positions. This is what we think is going to happen. We're short on SOS because, again, it's an absolutely terrible stock, basically a fraudulent stock. SNDL, cannabis stocks is garbage. And SNDL is one of the worst of them. I mean, it's hysterical that no one else is short on it, or you guys aren't short on it. So with that being said, again, looking for GameStop, AMC to basically just come down to earth and be priced right back into what they are. I think, retail investors have basically have ADHD. I think that they're not going to be able to sustain attention on the stock for enough time to drive it up. So with that being said, not a great stock. Again, short on it due to the new rules and regulations that have come in. We have to disclose this. And with that being said, we'll continue to produce videos day in and day out, and we'll see what the future entails for us, and we'll keep you updated on that. But as of right now, we'll see how it plays out, how it does. Maybe this could be a little bit of a battle between you guys and us, but at the end of the day, I think I'll smoke you guys. I think I'll win. And that's the bottom line. We'll continue to make money day in and day out here on GameStop and AMC. And with that being said, I appreciate each and every one of you guys for staying tuned throughout the entirety of the video. Let me know your thoughts below. Drop a like, drop a comment, and happy April Fools, boys and girls. And you know how it goes. Let's make some money.
That was a pretty indirect April Fools, because what he said on, honestly, what he said,
not great.
What he said on Sundial, I know for a fact he hates it. We both hate SOS. That's dog water. That's a dog water. But his April Fools wasn't really like a joke. I didn't get like joking vibes from it. But I mean, I don't think he has this much. There's no way he has that much. There's no way. That's. But when he said he didn't like, he said something earlier. But like, I know he doesn't like Sundial either. I think Sundial fundamentally as a company is pretty rough. Spies is cranking at $3.99. Crazy numbers. He did wait a long time to say April Fools. He was milking. That was funny. I'm curious now his opinion. I wonder if he messaged me on Discord. No, I did. Make you go crazy for buying Tesla. It's a jackpot. Kyle, you're an idiot. I might hop off. I think Belmont's gonna be live here. I kind of want to do a live with him, but I'm kind of hungry. And I get my son later today, so I'm not gonna be able to make videos. So I gotta make those. I get those done ASAP. Nasdaq looking solid. I think Nasdaq still looks good. I wouldn't be tripping out about it. See how we react to this level. I mean, it's not a one-day thing. This is gonna take some time. See how the week close. I think the week's gonna close strong. I think we'll open strong as well over the weekend. I'm curious, everything that kind of goes on, but overall, I feel good. Like all my positions holding over the weekend, I feel pretty solid. A lot of people don't like holding over the weekend. I understand though. I understand the worrisome part that goes into that, but I feel good with the market. And honestly, I felt good with the market going into today, Thursday. But I'm not gonna lie, I watched some stuff and I looked at some numbers and stuff, and there was risk. There was risk going into today that the market could drop. 100% there was risk. But yeah, I don't want to go more into that, but I am taking the choice to believe my own thesis now. We need to see how we hold in this range though, and can we hold up? Can we keep going? Yields look pretty trash. When I was seeing earlier, they're still getting killed. Yeah, DXY is getting murdered. I think DXY is going to come down about the 92.74. We should get another push on the Nasdaq, which makes sense. SPY, we're just getting a retrace. It's lunchtime. I think we'll pick back up around 1 o'clock. Maybe I'll do another live. I don't know. We'll see. Can you do a quick T on CTX? I don't know what that is. I think that's a therapeutic, though. Dude, I don't get why you guys all trade therapeutics. It's pinching pretty hard. It could get a move. I don't know. I think you got to take these with a grain of salt. But, yeah. 500 million shares. Dude, I'm telling you. Yeah. I am curious what these YouTubers cook up on the 500 million shares. I'm very curious. I don't get what he's saying. This Matthew D guy, boy, is straight out of like the 5th Ward of Houston, trying to troll me on AMC. Bro, the only reason why I go to 5th Ward is to go to my college. I don't know why U of H is in 5th, 4th. Is it 5th Ward? Yeah, it's in 5th. U of H is like right by 5th Ward. I don't know why. I don't know. Maybe for recruiting. Who knows? But yeah, so yields are following the down. Yields are going down. They're just going down. I don't know what you're talking about the downtrend, but they're just going down right now. Okay, they're going down. They do go down. They're going down. It's good. Good for the economy. We want these to keep coming down. We want DXY to plummet. We want DXY to go to the turf. Okay, that's all we want. We want DXY to get hammered. This is going to be a big support though down there. UAVS. I have UAVS in the portfolio. Getting a little bit of a jump. Had a really good open. Like it'll probably keep going up. We'll just see. Slower, just gonna take time. I got any guilty pleasure boomer stocks. I like CVS long term. Oh here. Well, if you want them. So Funko was I think it kind of a boomer stock. A lot of boomers like Funko. Is Fast still going? Fast is super good. Guy in the Discord showed me them and made a video last week saying this is gonna blow up, and it blew up. What else? CLF. This is steel. CLF steel is a monster play, guys. Going into summer to long term. You could probably grab a few month out call options. They look really good. But yeah, those look really good. What else? I'm just going off the top of my head. I think oil is coming back to a really good place. It needs to get above. Is it above last month's open? It's not. It's below it right now. If it gets back above this range, it's really good. But XLE is holding above, I believe. No, it's not. It got pushed back down. So we'll have to see with oil. I'm waiting for confirmation on oil. But overall, I think market looks really good. Personally, that's just my opinion. I think market looks fine. And then I got some Blink, which did come down a little bit, but it's holding up really well right now. Like it's held that. If it can continue to hold this range, I feel it could come down a little bit. We want to see the market start to, bounce back, and it is. The market's holding this range. Came back down, tested. Let's see how it goes. I might be live near. I don't know. I can't. I'll be live tonight though for sure. Like late. It'll be late tonight, like 10:30. I'll be live tonight. If DXY gets smoked, yes, oil should go up in theory. Another great way to see if oil is doing well is USD CAD. So when you're trading Forex, a lot of people, they just trade Forex and look at charts and they use all this crazy mumbo jumbo. No, not me. That's not what I did. You can follow trends. So a key trend for USD CAD will always go down. CAD will always, so basically this is USD traded against CAD. So if this is going down, that means the dollar is decreasing in value and CAD is going up in value. So honestly, this would be a great trader. I would be shorting the hell out of this right now if I could. I'd be short on USD CAD. I'd bet CAD would increase and USD would decrease. So I think oil is a good play. And usually CAD increases in price when oil increases. If that makes sense, they follow each other. But right now, US oil WTI, West Texas oil, it's really volatile. I like oil though. I like oil going into summer. Big fan. Call me a boomer. I like it a lot. The flow, still lots of Tesla flow. Look at this. Oh my God, that is insane. Baidu's creeping as well. Baidu's probably a great buy as well. What is it at? Whew, man, about to fill that gap. Huge potential there. Yeah, so we'll see. I'm curious how this goes. Oh, yeah. I had to get my sleeping schedule back in check though. How's FTFT? Future fint. Oh my God. What happened? Huge support. 590. Huge support right there. Just let you know. But yeah, I'm gonna hop off. I'll be back. Maybe I'll be back. I don't make any promises. I gotta make some videos. I gotta make some videos for sure today. I don't know what stock I'm gonna talk about today. That's not. I'm gonna make an AMC update video, of course, but I don't know what stock. Maybe I'll just make an AMC video today. I don't know. And I have to really work. I might take today kind of off. We'll see. But if you have any stocks you want me to talk about or potentially like look at, send them to me on Discord. I posted the free link here earlier, so just go to Discord, go to Low Cap Bangers right here, and I'll take a look at them. If I like them, I'll do some research on them. But yeah. You're crazy on that Tesla play, Tyler. Yeah, I put a fuck ton on it. Yeah. All right, love you guys. Do a blink video. I can do. That's a good. Maybe that's a good one. It just sucks because I can like tell how much views like a video will get before I do it. Typically, timing really matters when you post a video. It really matters. I might make a really terrible AMC video tonight. To be honest, that kind of sounds fun. The finance bro. This guy never went to a party. Come on. I'm not gonna lie though, like, yep, I'm probably getting no views on this one, but it's okay. What is it? Infrastructure. I'll probably do one going over stocks that are gonna benefit from the infrastructure plan, and give you my best logical reason why. Okay, a handful of stocks. I like Blink. I like ChargePoint. Just so you guys know right now, but I think Clean Energy does well too. Okay, I'll be making nail in the coffin video. I'll be back. But yeah, again, if you have anything you want me to look at, post in Discord. I'll take a look at it. How we going, boys? Namaste.